Hi everyone, this is Mark from the Woven Stone YouTube channel, and today we'll be casting this high-end concrete bench using what we genuinely think is one of the best mixers available. It's part 2 of the build, so if you missed the mold setup, check that out first. Here we are installing some foam to create some voids in the legs to reduce weight. Also some foam spacers to help locate and hold the concrete as it flows through.
Put it in place, yeah, good. Can I leave fast?
And so here we are installing a chute on the side of one of the legs. This will allow the concrete to flow seamlessly into that small gap in between the form and the mould. And this will make it as easy as possible. All we have to do then is concentrate on pouring.
One next to you.
Okay, that's all the ingredients weighed out. We've got Radmix, cement, plasticizer, ice and water.
Did you give that a stir?
Not yet, no.
Radmix.
I'm not ignoring my dad there, by the way. I'm giving him gestures. I've just got a mask on here. And what you want to do is basically blend the Radmix, water and ice or plasticizer together. And then we'll go in with 1 full bag of cement, mix that up. Again, another full bag of cement. And then the third bag you want to split up into 3 and mix those 3 individually. Yeah, so for this bench we'll be using 2 buckets worth of mix. That's 6 bags of cement in total. And you want to have no more than 3 bags of cement per bucket. And here I'm just checking the floor, so I've decided that I want to add a little bit more plasticizer. So obviously then we'll add the glass fibres and it'll be a nice pour.
Did you put a little drop of water with it?
Just a little.
Just to account for the dryness.
Klopt. Sorry. So the mix has been left for a while there, and we've got temperature up to about 11 degrees Celsius, which is perfect to start adding glass fibres. So once we start mixing that, and eventually we'll start pouring, you want it to be around about 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. And as you can see here, there's a nice flow to the mix. It's going straight down through the chute, not clogging up. And that'll just flow down through the foam to the other side of the mould and then back up the other leg. Now we've got just the last bits of concrete just going in. You can see how liquid the concrete is there when we come to shake it. So yeah, we've got that all filled up, and now we're just tapping the mould underneath and around. That just lifts the glass fibres off the surface of the melamine, and you get a nice finish.
Just to make sure it's getting in.
Okay, a few hours have passed here. I'm just checking to see if it's started to cure. As you can see, it's not really sticking to my fingers. So we'll quickly wrap this up with moving blankets and some electric blankets, and we'll turn these on to full because we want that concrete to get up to around about 30 to 35 degrees Celsius if we can. And the next one will be the demoulding. So look out for the next video on that one. See you later.